What's good, Career Warriors? It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about that one mistake that you're including on your resume, which is getting you automatically rejected from even getting an interview with the job that you're interested in. And you may be asking, what the heck is that mistake and what do I need to do? Well, let's talk about that. So, yet again, if it's your first time ever clicking on any of my videos, I'm Anthony Harris. I've been a career professional for well over a decade, where I've helped over hundreds of other career professionals land their dream and perfect job for themselves. So let's go back to talking about what the heck is this one mistake that y'all are making on your resumes that are getting you automatically either neglected by the ATS system or even the first round recruiters that are reviewing your resumes. And that is simply copying and pasting job descriptions into your resumes. What do I mean by that? I mean, you're giving basic job descriptions under each of your job titles. So you're saying things like answer the phones, handle customer complaints, did reports for senior management. You're not giving context to any of that. You're just listing regular job duties. Again, if they wanted to look up kind of what your daily tasks were, they can ask you that during your interview. They need to see what impact that you made at that job under that job title. So you need to update that. You need to start off with action verb. What do I mean by that? Start with verbs and strong action verbs like led, manage, spearheaded. Those are action verbs that you need to utilize to start your bullet points. And then you need to give a sensible win and not just a description of your job duty, but you need to give something that's a sensible win to show your impact at that company. So what that's going to look like is led a team of 5 to improve company efficiency by over 25% and save the company annually over $50,000 a year. Now, that is a strong bullet point. That gives not only a strong action verb, but it gives a sensible win and it gives a hiring manager and the recruiters access to know what your impact is at that company and how you can make those same impacts at their company. So if you need assistance on that, make sure you click the link down in the description. All of my resume services are currently 50% off at legacycareersllc.com for this week. So whether you need something like some pre-filled templates, and that could be industry specific or not, they're currently $40 or less. And if you need your resume and cover letter done by me and my team, those are on sale currently for $100 or less, which we know those services go for way much more than that. So take advantage for this week of any of my career services that are currently 50% off and take advantage of that. Let's make sure we transform 2025 into your winning year yourself. If you need anything else, Career Warriors, please let me know. Peace. Welcome to Legacy Careers LLC, where your ambition meets expertise. Our mission is very simple: to empower professionals just like you to transform career dreams into lasting legacies. With personalized career coaching, resume and LinkedIn optimization, interview preparation, and job search strategies, advance your career today with proven strategies and expertise. Visit us for more at legacycareersllc.com.